Creating a marketing plan for LinkedIn. You can't start a business without a business plan, and you can't start advertising on LinkedIn without mapping out a marketing plan first. So we have decided to give you a foolproof marketing blueprint that will work on any LinkedIn advertising venture. So listen up. Start by following the right approach. One thing to remember is that you will be serving your ads to a business-to-business audience. So it is important to follow the right approach even before you think about setting up your first ad. This means that your advertising message has to be focused on the following objectives: targeting only the professionals that are relevant to your business and no one else, adding value and a solid offer proposition to the advertising message, converting leads into connections on the platform when possible. Create brand awareness. It is important that your message is first and foremost focused on creating brand awareness among members of your target audience, as the vast majority of LinkedIn users end up spending money on businesses that they interact directly with. Brand awareness must be created way before initiating the purchasing funnel, and brand awareness is more easily achieved through thought leadership. Then drive sales through interactions. Your interactions with your audience will be built upon thought leadership. This means that people will only convert if they think that your content is relevant. LinkedIn users make their purchasing decisions after consuming from 5 to 10 pieces of content on average. This means that your content has to offer value from the very start in order to keep leads engaged until they convert. The ideal sales funnel on LinkedIn then would consist of a 10-piece content series that you can either release periodically from your company page or that you can release steadily from a showcase page dedicated to the content series subject matter. After you meet your goals. After going through the previous steps, you should be able to keep your customers engaged, to create new customers, and to get them through the new customer cycle by applying the next steps. Expanding brand awareness to other locations. Maintaining thought leadership through premium content and milestone showcasing. And generating new leads through evergreen content.